I want to welcome you to the Mission 2026 Time Warp.
Today, we have 40 teams from all over the state competing in the aerial drone competition. I believe it's important because they learn life skills, communication, teamwork, perseverance, hard work. They learn the skills like that, and they also learn STEM to help them in the real world, in their future careers.
Well, personally for me, I am going for an aerospace engineering major, so this will greatly improve my chances in that field.
Blast off!
And for younger children, it's a really good experience for teamwork and for organization and to actually work towards a common goal.
I like flying drones because it's very interesting. Like flying the drones is not the only thing that's interesting. It's also just looking at the drones and doing everything that's connected to drones.
I really think that it's not that hard to me, but sometimes it's like a little challenging.
This is a very good and I think important organization for students out there to be a part of. Put yourself out there and just do the best you can.
5, 4, 3,